Our forces paid tribute to India's Kargil war heroes in the Dras sector today. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh also paid tributes to the brave hearts at the National War Memorial. Joining me live on the broadcast is my colleague Zeenat to give us more details about the event in the Dras sector. Good morning to you. Zeenat, India is filled with gratitude to our Kargil braves. Take us through the events today at Kargil Dras sector. Zeenat.
Let me take you here at the War Memorial here and Kargil Dras Memorial, where at present the chief guest of the occasion is LG of Ladakh, LG Mathur, and who paid tribute to the martyrs of the Kargil war. He paid homage, and in fact, CDS General Rawat is also here, who also paid homage. Right now, the cultural events are taking place, and in the meanwhile, the entire country remembers the martyrs of Kargil 1999. And in fact, we have been seeing the functions for the last 4 days that the army had been organizing in memory of those soldiers who had lost their life in the Kargil war. They are fallen soldiers, but definitely not the forgotten soldiers. I can show you the visuals from the Dras Memorial, where the patriotic songs were sung by one of the groups here, and simultaneously CDS General Bipin Rawat is here along with LG Mathur. And this is today is the 26th July, where you have the 22nd anniversary of the Kargil Vijay Divas. This was a fight between the India and the Pakistan in the month of, started from May to July. In fact, this was a 3-month war, which was fought on the high altitude. This is the first war fought on such an altitude. In fact, the peaks that you see around, these were the peaks that were climbed by the soldiers at the time of the Kargil war. The kind of planning and the machinery that was used by the Indian Army helped Indian Army to fight this war, and not only to fight, but also they were able to recapture all those peaks that were captured by the Pakistani soldiers and the Pakistani intruders in 1999. It took almost 3 months to clear them from these peaks, and then they not only were destroyed, but their bunkers not only were destroyed, but they were also eliminated by the Indian Army. Although Indian Army lost many of the soldiers, like more than 500 in number, and their names are very much inscripted here at the War Memorial. As the my VJ is showing you the visuals of this War Memorial, you can see that these names are inscripted here, and what is mentioned about these heroes here is that they are sleeping beneath this earth.
Indeed,
so these are the visuals from
we pay homage to our brave hearts who have fought valiantly in Kargil. Thank you, Zeenat, for joining us on the broadcast.